Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use NSP File easy method. Start by confirming you have a compatible loader and enough storage. Then transfer the NSP file to your device via USB or SD card. Use a reliable mounting tool to browse contents and locate the main NSP package. Check digital signatures where possible, then follow on-screen prompts to install. Keep backups of original files to prevent data loss. Power down and insert the SD card, then boot into your loader or homebrew environment to prepare for installation. Format or clean up the SD card if needed, and confirm that your loader supports the NSP file version. Transfer the NSP file into the designated folder so the tool can detect it easily. Close other applications to prevent interruptions, and keep a power source connected during installation to avoid failures. Thanks for sticking with me. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like to support these quick tutorials. On another note, quick recommendation. Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for voice control and smarter chores. Perfect when you want to focus on setup instead of cleaning. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Open your loader, navigate to the NSP file location, and choose the install command that matches your system requirements. Watch the progress indicator and wait for confirmation that installation completed successfully. Then eject the SD card safely if needed. Reboot your system and launch the newly installed title to confirm it runs correctly, checking for missing assets or errors. If issues appear, consult logs or repeat the install from a verified copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.